Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Project TDM. In this episode we are going to change the oil and the oil filter. If you're interested, please stick around. I actually warmed the engine up to operating temperature before hitting record, so now we're okay to loosen the oil drain plug. Okay, and let this drain nicely. Now that the oil has drained, it's safe to put back the oil drain plug. It's always a good idea to put on a new cross washer. I'm going to put this back in. This side is done, but we're not completely done yet because we need to drain the oil from the other side as well. Now on this side, this is our oil filter housing. There's another drain plug which we need to remove. Then some more oil will drain out. After that there are 5 Allen bolts that need to come off, and the whole oil filter housing comes out, and that holds the paper element oil filter. Now I'm not sure I will be able to remove the oil filter housing because of the engine guard, so I'll probably end up taking this off, but first I will be draining the oil. Now I've got all of the oil drained. I'm going to put in the filter. Which will go in just like that. Okay. Oh, don't want to lose this. Okay. Carefully. Now I did look up the torque specification in the repair manual, and for the oil filter housing it's 10 Newton meters. For the oil drain plug on this side it's 30 Newton meters, of course, and for the oil drain plug on the other side it's 35 Newton meters. Just put this bolt back in. Alright. There we are. One more. over there. Oh, bollocks. This always happens. I keep dropping stuff into the oil drain pan. How annoying. Let me get this out of the way before I drop some other stuff in there. Nasty. I'm gonna do them all up hand tight. Now the way you fill this up with oil, it's a little bit different than on most motorbikes. What the manual states is to add 3 liters of engine oil, start the engine, rev it 5-6 times, then stop the engine and fill it up to the correct level. This actually has an oil dipstick, like that. So what we are gonna do is fill it up with 3 liters, then as I've said, start the engine, rev it 5-6 times, stop the engine and fill it up to the correct level. But before we do that, I forgot to put the oil drain plug back. Wah, 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 wah. Never walk away from a loose bolt or an oil drain plug. So as we said, this is going to be 30 Newton meters with the new cross washer. 15, 20, 25, 30. That's it. Torque it down on the other side as well. 35 Newton meters. Time to start the engine, give it 5-6 revs and top off the oil to the correct level. See the level. you don't want to miss out on future videos of Project TDM, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I will see you guys next time. Ta-da!